Oh wow, Aniruddha!
I am probably saying this pretty often. But guys, welcome back again, and I am back again on the roads. This time we're going to explore another unexplored place that's called Tipi Ghat. I had not heard about it as of today, but yes, let's go check that out. We'll be joined by Aniruddha, is waiting somewhere here. We'll have tea and then we'll start for Tipi Ghat. So guys, as you already know, the destination for today is Tipi Ghat, and it's 59 kilometers from Shapurji, my place. We are right now on the Khoribari Rajarhat main road. This place itself looks so beautiful. It has water bodies on both the sides. It's about just 30 minutes from that of Newtown area. So I have seen a lot of biker brothers standing and taking pictures. It's beautiful. Guys, back again. So we are having a small breakfast here. We stopped midway.
Good morning.
Good morning, good morning. So have a look. Fresh kachori. What can be better?
Right now, we are in the Barachapa Baduria road. We have taken the left from that of Koshirhat Taki road. Is it possible to think that this is inside that of Kolkata? Beautiful. Ghat. Aniruddha, দারুণ জায়গাটা। Beautiful, beautiful, huh?
So Google says you are about to reach Tipi Ghat. So yes, we have reached Tipi Ghat, and that is the beautiful Ichamoti river, and there's that bridge, and I see a person crossing that too. Now I'm not sure if I have to cross that. Let's wait for Aniruddha and see what we have to do.
This is Tipi Ghat, and I'm going to experience a lifetime of a thing. Thank you, জেঠু। অসাধারণ জায়গায় থাকো তোমরা গো, উপরওয়ালার অনেক কৃপা। ও ওয়াও, অনিরুদ্ধ। Wow, that was an experience. Let me see Aniruddha. Yeah, you have done it. Yeah. This is beautiful. This is unparalleled. This is beautiful. This was an experience. Yeah. Experience, huh?
Guys, this is Tipi Ghat, and that's the bamboo bridge that we took to come to this side. It's beautiful. I can't say anything. This is just beautiful. Just have a look. The entire place looks beautiful. guys, now we are walking again on top of Ichamoti river on this beautiful shako. It's a bamboo-lit shako. My love for bamboo continues. You can see that. Yeah, but this is a beautiful place, man. Please do visit this place. This is beautiful. Pretty unknown to people. Just have a look. Words can't describe this place. This is just fabulous.
It's 10:44 right now and we are leaving Tipi Ghat. It was a beautiful place. See, again, last views of Tipi Ghat. Ichamoti river. We got to know that is a local Samshan Ghat. The bodies are cremated here. Funerals are done. The place itself is beautiful. Left. We came via a different road and this time we'll take another different road. Look at the road. Wow. I'm so thrilled. All I ever wanted was a road like this. All I ever wanted was a road like this. This is just beautiful. Yeah, I think we would have to take that. I am in the wrong road. দারুণ জায়গা বস। কথা হবে না বস। কথা হবে না বস। কথা হবে না কোনো। কোনো কথা হবে না বস। আজকে ভাই একটা দারুণ রাইট আমি না পড়ে যাই মনে হচ্ছে তলায় সোজা একদম মনে হচ্ছে জলেই হবে একদম এই দেখো সাবধানে দাঁড়া আমি যাচ্ছি হ্যাঁ Look at the road. I think I would have to take that shako again. Wow. Yes, it's asking me to take this shako. Can you believe this? How do I take the shako now? Okay, I'd have to go down from here. Take it from there. Hold on. 2 টাকা দাদা কত টাকা হ্যাঁ পাঁচ টাকা না 5 টাকা another bamboo
So guys, that was my journey to Tipi Ghat. Thank you so very much for joining me on this trip, and do continue to show your love by sharing, liking and subscribing to my channel, and that would really boost me up a lot while I take you guys on many such unknown places that I wish to cover in near future. Thank you again. You guys take care. Bye bye.